Hello students, my name is Nagarjuna KG, lecturer in physics. Today I am going to give some ideas, plans about the preparation for the coming NEET or JEE 2020 examinations during this lockdown period. So unfortunately we are all restricted to our houses only. There is no chance to attend as usual classes like offline classes at present. So that's why how we can plan, how can we prepare, what are the important points, on what points we need to concentrate to get an excellent score, a good marks in the forthcoming examinations. Say, this is not only this video is not only for weak students, those who scored 100 to 150 in NEET examination, or less than 100, less than 50, 40 in JEE examination. Not only that weak students, average student, not only for average students, not only for toppers. So these points are helpful to each and every student, because those who are at 500, 550, they may try to increase their score levels to 650, 700, like that. So for this, in this video, please watch this video until the end. Some valuable points I am going to share with you today. That is, for the NEET and JEE examinations point of view, tips and tricks to crack NEET and JEE 2020 exams. Now I am going to explain point wise to you. See, the first point, set your timetable. This is one of the most important point. Planning is very much required. So from today onwards, we have 55 days, June 1st to 30 and July 1st to 25th. Total we have 55 days. These 55 days, first you concentrate on your weak areas. Before that, first you try to set your timetable when it comes to the preparation of a highly competitive exams like this NEET 2020 or JEE 2020. So previous years, previous days are totally different. Now we are all in lockdown situation, almost self-quarantine, self-home quarantine. So under these situations, planning is very much required to crack, to get a good score in your NEET or JEE examinations. So here it is very important to set a target. Firstly, figure out how many days do you have. I told already, say you have now 55 days. You plan your timetable for this 55 days. Roughly, no need to follow everybody the same what I told here is. In general, for JEE students, say you fix morning times, say mathematics 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. I never say you need to concentrate whole day. You need to prepare, you need to sit. You need to concentrate on your preparation on the subjects whole day. No, nothing. It is not at all. So, as per your convenience, so you frame your own timetable, own planning. Say for example, for JEE point of view, morning times mathematics, usually comparatively physics, chemistry, mathematics, usually it's a common public talk. Mathematics is a difficulty subject. So that keep it early in the morning, fresh hours, and you take 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hours of gap. After that, you can take your physics during afternoon times, and evening after you can take rest 1 hour after your lunch, you can sleep if you want. So evening times, so you can keep your chemistry preparation. How many hours? That is your own plan. It is setting your timetable. It is only your point of view. And for NEET aspirants, so in the place of mathematics during morning times, fresh hours, you keep biology, because biology has a more weightage in NEET examination. So 90 questions biology, 45 questions physics, 45 questions this chemistry. Now I am moving to the next point. See the second point. Concentrate on critical topics and weaker areas. It is another most important point you should remember. Concentrate on critical topics. Critical in the sense not your friend's point of view, not your teacher's point of view. For your point of view, you can identify your, figure out your weakest areas, strongest areas for your point of view. So concentrate on critical topics and weaker areas. Analyze your preparation, whether it is okay, satisfied, or good or bad. On focus, first of all, focus on critical topics and concepts as they demand more time to prepare. You can figure it out. Taking into account the previous year exam analysis and experts advice, you have come up with the subject-wise important topics. So you plan by your own. What are the difficulty topics in each and every subject? What are the moderate topics? What are the easiest topics? So according to that, you can figure it out. So what are the easiest topics? What are the moderate topics? What are the typical or difficulty topics? And here, for example, as I am a physics lecturer, so for NEET examination point of view, so you please concentrate on electrodynamics and optics, ray optics and wave optics, modern physics, little less importance that semiconductors. So now communication chapters is totally removed, no need to worry about that. And electromagnetic waves is also a very small chapter, less important chapter. And when we coming to the 11th class, so mechanics part 2 and heat part, we have only 2 parts. So in that 2 parts, mechanics, especially kinematics, dynamics, and rotational motion, gravitation are very, very important concepts. And when we come into the heat part, kinetic theory of gases, and then thermodynamics, oscillations, waves. These are the most important topics. And for chemistry point of view, maybe organic chemistry, as I heard from my old students. Organic chemistry may be a typical topic. It is not general, not for all. Next point. Use online sources of information, because under present conditions, under present lockdown situations, see, there is no chance to go out of the house to attend offline classes or physical classes. So that this is the best way. Use online sources of information. See here, join any online platform and gain maximum knowledge. Various sources are there. For example, you can watch YouTube videos at free of cost. Very nice, very good video lecturers are available in YouTube's. Expert, all these videos are prepared by expert professors with great clarity, great explanation, or you can join any online coachings. So various institutions were providing excellent online coaching for these NEET and JEE exams. So, or you can utilize some websites. Some websites, say for example, recently NTA released Abhyas, NTA Abhyas, and Online Siksha, onlinesiksha.com. For Karnataka state released Get Set Go, and then say some swarajyamag.com, this kind of. So various sources are available. You try to utilize this online sources of information to develop your subject knowledge. And next point, NCERT books. So commonly whenever we are attending the classes earlier or now and never, so usually, so you concentrate, most of your teachers mentioned use or focus on NCERT books. So depends only on NCERT books is not sufficient, but don't neglect the NCERT books. So each and say biology for theory subject, theory oriented subject. So in biology you can go through line by line. This is very most important thing it is. And as for physics point of view, so textbook, NCERT textbook, understanding the textbook is not an easy thing, not an easy, but you concentrate on exemplar problems, especially in physics. So NCERT exemplar problems is also one of the source. It is very, very important source. And next one, say fifth point, stay familiar with the NEET JEE examination pattern. So I think all of you should know the pattern of your examination, rules and regulations of the NEET examination or JEE examinations. JEE now there is no offline examination, only online examination is conducted at present situation. NEET point of view, no online examination, only offline examination is conducted for NEET point of view. So that is how many questions are given chapter subject wise. Biology 90 questions, physics 45 questions, chemistry 45 questions, examination pattern, timing, how much time we need to spend on each subject in the examination. So this kind of things. So you must know about your examination pattern. And next point, stay connected with your teachers. So another most important point here. See, stay connected. How we can connect it with our teachers? At present condition, there is no chance to move out of the house to meet your teachers. So social networking plays a vital role under this kind of situations. So in your day-to-day life, many times you may use Facebook, you may use WhatsApp, you may use YouTube. So you can share your doubts, you can ask your doubts, post your questions in your WhatsApp to your teachers. So connect with your teachers on the social networking platform. So utilize, you can properly utilize that social networking sites to stay connected with your teachers. Next point, seek doubt clarification is most important point it is. Concentrate. So try to get clarifications of your doubts. See here, get your doubts cleared by an experts make use of reference books. So you may have a lot of materials, whatever the materials you have. So you try to refer that books to get clarification or get doubts cleared by an experts. By referring certain books or some study materials or some say here, and you can refer the previous NEET JEE exam passers interviews, what they told. So, and under each topic to remember it better. Next point, self evaluation. It is another important point. Preparation, planning, timetable, using social networking. Okay, all these are very helpful, and one of the most important point is self evaluation, because no teachers are available to evaluate your answer sheets or your mock tests or anything. So that by your own, so you should evaluate by your own. That is, see here, figure out where you stand and identify weak spots first of all. What are the weak points in your preparation? First you figure out that, you come out that, you identify that difficulties or some weak spots, etc. Solve as many problems and get external evaluation to help understand your strengths and possibilities, problematic areas. So this self-evaluation is another important point, no doubt it is. So self-evaluation is most required. And next point, spend 80% of study time on core concepts. So definitely earlier, so your teachers spend more time on important and major topics which have a highest weightage. That is one of the most important point. And important questions, previous year questions, so concepts you should spend, you refer the previous year questions, or you discuss with your teachers, you discuss with your already completed your friends, brothers, sisters, anybody are there, so you discuss with them. You try to identify chapter wise or subject wise, so which concept is most important, on which concept the questions are asking continuously in every years. So all these first you identify and concentrate on that particular concepts. Next point, attend revision classes. I think revision classes means not offline classes. During present conditions, present situations, attending revision classes is a little less possibility point it is, but you can attend online courses. Already I told, I think in third point maybe. So attend online classes. Either it may be a revision classes or fresh classes. Say suppose if your college, your previous teachers, if they were conducting the classes on YouTube's or WhatsApp or online classes, you better attend your college related classes or your college related faculty classes. That is revision. Or if you attend any new coaching center or some other, that is different. That is also helpful to you to gain the knowledge. And next, keep yourself healthy. Keep yourself healthy. So concentrating on the subject, aiming good score in your NEET and JEE examination is definitely important, but don't neglect your health. And I am requesting all the parents or guardians should take care whether the candidate is getting proper rest or not, and whether they living in healthy lifestyle in this lockdown period and hard time. One side is lockdown, one side is preparation, so one side is examination fear or tension or anything. So it is most important, it is crucial for applicants, especially crucial for applicants, say, to add some relaxations in your timetable. So keep in your mind while preparing your timetable, you please add some relaxations in your timetable, regular timetable, that I told very first point. So you can sleep 1 hour, half an hour during afternoon after lunch, but relaxation is most important and health is most valuable thing. So you please concentrate on your health also. Next point, practice mock tests. So frequently you try to attend mock tests, and while you are attending mock tests, you concentrate on time management. Time management is one of the most important point. NEET aspirants, you try to complete your biology 90 questions as early as possible in the 3 hours duration. So actually for each subject you can spend 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. But comparatively biology and chemistry, physics a little bit difficulty subject is not my point of view, it is 80% of the students feeling, because biology subject is a theory based subject, no numerical questions, and chemistry point of view, physical chemistry may contain some numericals, and organic chemistry I am not saying is totally easy subject chemistry, no, I am not saying, but comparatively physics a little bit better, biology and chemistry. So try to finish your mock tests 45 to 50 minutes, first 45 to 50 minutes biology, and then 45 or 50 minutes chemistry, and try to do your physics problems at least 1 hour 20 minutes, at least 1 hour 20 minutes. All these comes only due to the practice, so that practicing the more number of mock tests is very, very important. And last one, solve model papers. So while solving the model papers, you no need to concentrate on time. So while solving the model papers, you try to get the solution, answer for each and every question. For NEET point of view, you try to get the answers or detailed solutions for all 180 questions, and as for JEE point of view, you try to get the 20 MCQs plus 5 numerical questions in all 3 subjects. So solving model papers is for getting the answers for each and every question. Earlier 12th point is practice the mock test is to maintain your time. While you are attending mock test, you try to concentrate on time, and while solving the model papers, you try to get the clear answers for each and every question. Okay students, all the best. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe during this lockdown period.